How to install uninstall TV apps. Installing and uninstalling apps from LG Web OS 5.0 TV. You can download and enjoy various apps to the TV from LG Content Store. How to download and install apps on TV. Press the Home button on the remote control. From the launcher bar, click on LG Content Store. Click on All Apps menu on the top. Select an app that you want to install. If you do not see the app you want, you can click on the search icon on the top right corner to search apps. Type in the name of the app you want to install. Click on the app and install the app. Once the app is installed, click the Launch button to open the app. You can find the newly installed app at the end of the launcher bar. How to uninstall apps. Deleting apps. Press the Home button from the remote control and open the Home menu. Move the pointer to the app you want to delete and press and hold OK button on the remote control. Click on the X button on the top and click Yes to the message asking if you want to delete the app.